Geese can live for a long time. According to Guinness World Records, one made it to 49 years old. These are birds known by multiple names. Goose refers to a female, gander refers to a male. Geese eat loads of food. Generally, they're herbivores, eating things like grasses, seeds and berries. They occasionally snack on small insects and fish. There's also the so-called emperor goose who likes eating clams. One pooped on my drone. As you can see, one dumped a load on my drone. Geese poop can contain various nasty bacteria. Geese appeared in Egyptian mythology. According to Egyptian mythology, the earth hatched from an egg laid by this bird. Geese cannot fly while they are molting. For a few weeks each year, geese remain grounded due to a lack of feathers, which they lose in the molt. These birds are considered a nuisance by golf course owners. Geese frequently hang around golf courses for several reasons. For the state of the lawn, this is not great. Geese poop approximately 28 times per hour.